Welcome everyone. Today, we'll be talking about projectile motion. What is projectile motion? When we throw an object at an angle, the object will fly in a curved path from the moment it leaves our hands until the moment it reaches the ground. This kind of motion is what we call a projectile motion. The object that we throw is called a projectile, while the path it travels is called the trajectory, which is usually in the shape of a parabola. When you're playing basketball, have you ever wondered why doesn't the ball travel in a straight line no matter how hard you throw it into the air? Well, this is mainly due to gravitational force and also air resistance, but we will be ignoring that for now. Take a basketball for example. When a basketball is thrown, it can be broken down into a vertical and horizontal component, which is represented by the y-axis and the x-axis respectively. In other words, the basketball will experience moving along vertically and horizontally at the same time. In the path of a projectile, the vertical component experiences change due to the influence of gravity, while the horizontal component remains constant. To understand the movement of the basketball, the main thing involved is velocity. First, when we throw a basketball, it will have an initial velocity, and the initial velocity can be resolved into x direction and y direction. In other words, the basketball is moving upwards and at the same time moving to the right. When the basketball is moving upwards, the velocity along the y direction will decrease and approach to zero when it reaches its maximum height, and then proceeds to move downwards as the velocity goes into the negative value. This is all due to the gravitational force constantly acting on the ball. The velocity in the x direction, however, will always remain constant unless the ball hits something or when it reaches the end of the trajectory. In short, if there is no gravity, the projectile motion will never exist, and the ball that we launch will fly in a straight line into oblivion. That's it for now. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.